Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Grub.
Today we're cooking half chickens on a gas grill. Hey Greg, what's that new layer of flavor we're doing today?
So today we're going to be doing an Alabama white sauce. We're going to take this a little bit further down south. I know this is Memphis, Tennessee, but that Alabama white sauce is perfect for smoked chicken on the grill.
I wasn't good at cooking chicken on a gas grill, so my buddy Greg taught me how to cook chicken on a gas grill.
We're cooking juicy chicken. We don't want under-seasoned, bland chicken. We want nice, juicy, flavorful chicken. We're going to show you how to make sure that chicken comes out absolutely juicy and perfect, and then we're going to show you how to impart a really good flavor into this chicken on a gas grill. If you like what you see today, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's get to adding those layers of flavor to that chicken, baby.
All right, we're going to go ahead and get this chicken chopped up. We got a whole chicken here, and what you want is a good pair of shears. Help you go through the bone. I mean, you can cut this chicken up with a knife, but what we're going to do is we're going to go down the side of it. We'll start at the top, right near the backbone. Just go on either side of the backbone. We're going to cut this guy out of here. You got one side, let's go to the other side. Oh, shit. All right, we got that guy out of there. Now we're going to flip our chicken upside down. We got a breastbone here, and you can go on either side of the breastbone. Just try to make it as even as possible so you can go straight down the middle with your shears. Cut your chicken in half, just like that. You can get a little of this excess off the back. Two beautiful half chickens. Now we got our chicken cut up. We're just going to go ahead and pat this dry, get all the moisture off of it. Do this helps the skin tighten up while it's on the grill. Get on the side of it too.
What's that first layer of flavor we're going to add here at Bluff City?
Well, we got our Bluff City Rub. You'll find the recipe in the description below. This is your Bluff City Rub. We use this on most of our chicken videos, like wings on the gas grill. You click the link above if you want to see that video. But what we're going to do is we're going to start out with a little bit of avocado oil or whatever cooking oil you got. We're just going to hit the top of it. We're going to flip the chicken over.
That oil is going to make for a great binder for the rub you got prepared for us, Greg.
Yeah, so the whole reason we're hitting it with oil is it's going to help the rub adhere to the meat, a little bit of a binder, but then it's also going to help brown up the skin really nicely. That's why I like using oil. We're going to rub this in here with the oil, and it's going to give it a really, really nice color as it cooks on the gas grill. Perfect. Flip it over, get the other side. It's going to give it a really nice color as it cooks on this gas grill. Perfect.
It's almost like you've given that little chicken a tan.
That's it, baby. Now we're just going to give it a really light dusting. The only reason I want to go light is because we're going to smoke on this gas grill today, and I want that smoke to penetrate the meat. We'll add a couple more layers of flavor as we cook on the gas grill.
One of the best tips we're going to give you today is to always start with a clean grill. So we're going to go ahead and get these top racks cleaned on up. And also to ensure our chickens don't stick on the top rack on this gas grill, we're going to oil them up with a little avocado oil here. It's one of our favorite oils to cook with on Bluff City. All right, we set it up for an indirect cook because we're going to be cooking our half chickens on the top rack. One of the things we're doing to add another layer of flavor is we're going to be cooking with our smoke box. We just want to go ahead and put this on our gas grill about 45 minutes before we start cooking. And we're going to let this come up to temperature somewhere around 300 while Greg's getting the sauce ready for us. This is one of the easiest sauces to make. Greg, how are we going to make up this beautiful Alabama white sauce?
Well, we got a little bit of Duke's mayo. So I like Duke's for the tang. But we're just going to add a couple of ingredients to it. Now, we got a little bit of cider vinegar. And don't worry, you're going to see this recipe in the description below the video. We're going to add a little bit of cider vinegar to it. We got a little bit of sugar as well. A little bit of prepared horseradish. Add a little bit of spice to it. Then we got a little bit of lemon juice. And one of the things I like to kick the flavor up just a little bit is a little bit of Worcestershire and also Dijon mustard. Boom, just like that. And we're gonna mix this up really good. Swish that up really good. This is gonna be delicious for this smoked chicken on the gas grill. We like to add layers of flavor, so we're gonna hit it with a little bit of this Bluff City Rub right there on top of it. Mix it in. We're gonna get this in the fridge. We're waiting on our chicken to cook.
All right, we've got our gas grill up to 300, which is where we want to cook today for our half chickens. And you can start seeing a little smoke rolling out from our smoke box, so we know we're ready to go. Also, at Bluff City, you've noticed we've been using some black gloves. We try to take a chance to improve upon how we handle raw meat here.
Whatever you say, Joe.
Man, we just got a few comments, so we're just trying to get a little better.
Oh my God.
All right, so got our grill up. Greg, you got a preference? We go skin up or skin down?
You definitely want to go skin up.
Skin up?
Yep.
All right. I'll place one over here. Got our other half chicken. And we've kind of set up some drip trays here to catch any drippings. Anything else before we close it? Start cooking, Greg?
No, man. We're just going to let that smoke roll for about 30 minutes. Let the color deepen on there. We're going to come back and shake them. And you know what we like to do, add another layer of flavor. So just let them cook off, man.
All right. These are looking good.
All right, so our chicken's been rolling for about 30 minutes. We got a little bit hot on the temperature. You want to stay around 300 degrees when you're cooking this chicken. But we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of rub here for another layer of flavor. And then we're gonna baste it with this delicious herb butter that I made. And it's just butter and Italian parsley. Add a little freshness to it. We're just gonna baste it right there on top. Chicken's gonna come out really good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate it a little bit, because no matter what grill you're cooking on, you're gonna have hot spots, you're gonna have cold spots. So you wanna make sure your chicken cooks evenly. Probably roll for another 30 minutes or so, but you wanna check your temperature. Make sure the breast, you wanna be around, 165. Dark meat, you wanna be around 185. Just the rotation there. There we go. A little bit more layer of flavor on top of it. All right, so we've been rolling for about an hour and a half with these half chickens, and they are looking really good. We come out here probably about every 30 minutes or so. We'll hit them with a little bit more rub, just like that. And then we'll also hit them with a little bit of butter. We're gonna go ahead and temp these bad boys. And what we're looking for on these chickens, that skin looks delicious. We're looking for on these chickens is, probably about 185 or so on the dark meat. Let's see where we are. There we go. 189. That's perfect. And let's check the breasts here. We're looking at 165, 170. Temperature's dropping. We're getting a little deeper here. So this is the best you can kind of do with your breast meat and your dark meat, cooking at the same time. But breast still looks pretty juicy, and the dark meat nice and done. These things are perfect. We're gonna go ahead and get these bad boys off. Man, they're looking delicious. Look at that color, really nice color. Good smoke on there. Our smoke box. We were smoking with apple wood, by the way, guys. A little bit of apple. Apple goes really good with chicken. Delicious. All right, so we got our chickens off the grill. They're looking really good. I like basting them in that butter with the rub, because it gives the skin a really nice color on there. But you could do this chicken however you want it. You could leave one dry. We got a little bit of Alabama white sauce, which I showed you how to make earlier. We're gonna take one of those and we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of the sauce right there on top of it. This stuff is really good, man. Nice, really good tangy flavor. Goes good on that chicken. Let that sit up. And then the other one, you can keep it dry and just hit it with a little bit of dry rub and serve it just like that. Well, there you go. Half chickens on a gas grill, smoked. One with Alabama white sauce, one with just seasoning on it. Boom.